To install Lucky OneBlock, that's what you need to do here. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Lucky OneBlock and then select link by CurseForge, right? Then we need to just wait and download, just press on files, select game version here, select latest one and download it to your computer, right? Press download and wait for a couple of seconds. Once you got the file, right click on it, then you need to extract all and then save it to your desktop. Wait for a couple of seconds. Then you have a OneBlock folder, click on it, and then drag from that particular folder, OneBlock folder. And then you should have a folder when you click on it, should be files. Then what you need to do here is to open up your Minecraft, then go Java Edition, installations, and then go to latest release and press on open installation folder. Then go to saves. If you don't have saves folder, just create one. And then what you need to do here is to drag and drop that particular folder that we just got it here, right? And then you just need to launch your Minecraft and then you will see that particular map. And then if I go to single player and scroll down, you can see that there is a map called Lucky OneBlock and I can play it. If you want to play with your friends, you need to have a server hosting and private servers. So I highly advise you to use apexhosting.com. Click the link in the description below and you get a 25% off for the best Minecraft hosting thing, right? So yeah, that's basically it.